kill him. I'll kill him.
Hey! Hey! Let go! Let go!
I'll kill him.
Let go! You don't think I won't do it?
He's gonna kill
I
you.
will pull the trigger.
Isaiah,
Let go!
Isaiah, listen to me, Isaiah. If you did that, he would kill you.
Alright, hold on. We got breaker. Adrian, get out of here. Go to the entrance. Hey, get out of the ground! Adrian, go to the entrance. Go to the entrance.
Anthony's gone too.
Get back in. Go.
Anthony ran too.
Go.
I don't care. Go, bro. Joe, have a word with him.
You don't want to be able to run anymore, boy?
No, I don't want.
We'll shoot out your leg like Isaiah.
No, I don't want to run anymore. I promise.
You don't want to run?
I won't run. I won't run.
Do I have to enforce it?
No. Look.
Get back inside. Go. We'll take you out, boy.
Joe!
Hey! Get outside. Go.
I'm looking at the stuff, but you're not leaving.
Get up.
He said golly.
Get up.
He broke my back.
I'll break your head. Now get up.
Look at Anthony and you should look at Isaiah.
I see that. Put down the weapon.
I don't have a weapon.
Back away from it.
Come on.
Back away.
We need you outside.
Get in the chair. Get in the chair.
Weapon.
No, we need him
What's
outside.
going on? What's going on, man?
Put the weapon down.
Put down the weapon.
down
Drop
the
it.
Down. Get down. Are you assaulting a cop? What do you have a word with you? Joe, go get all the other ones so they can win this.
Everybody come out. We want to show you an example. Oh, dang it. Eder, chase him down. Shoot him. Sounds like we got some escapees over here. I don't see anyone. Dripping. I mean, somebody just ran by here. Step on the hose in a hurry. Aaron, watch out! We got other escapees. No, dang, the door's still locked. Aaron, I think we got more escapees.